check out my new gardening gloves. They arrived in this nice package. Let's open it up. Take a look at this. 100% premium pigskin natural leather gloves. I love how long they are. This is perfect. Nothing is going to scrape up my arms. Let's try putting them on. Look at that, easy on. Look at the material here. My fingers go completely to the end here. Easy off, just like that. They're thick but light at the same time, which is really nice. And they have the gripping material. I think this is going to be perfect for me. I'm excited to start gardening. Let's do this.